Okay, so this is a quick update video like I try to do for my subscribers for y'all because I want y'all to know like what's coming up. I don't want to I hate just posting something and you guys not knowing what is coming up. So tonight we have another intro into the series, episode 4 of Straight Off the Ballpoint. So you guys are gonna have another guest and you guys can see who it's gonna be. And the second upload that's going up probably Sunday night is going to be the Penbbs 349. Yes, the Penbbs 349 is here and it is quite stunning. A new different type of clip with a ball on it, kind of reminiscent of Pilot fountain pens in terms of their clips. And if you guys have not noticed, I would like for you guys to comment down below on what fountain pen you think this is based off of the design that Penbbs went with. It's a torpedo type fountain pen in terms of shape, and conveniently I have the same color in the Penbbs 323. So with that being said, let's see how this is going to work out. So let's go over that one more time. So tonight, which is April 10th today, so tonight I'm going to be uploading the 4th episode into the series of Straight Off the Ballpoint. And second, number two, I'm going to be uploading a video, a review of the Penbbs 320, but scratch that. A review of the Penbbs 349. And third, I guess you guys will have to find out. Still have to do a review on this fountain pen, the Pelican M600. But with that being said, everybody, I hope you guys are having a blessed day like I always try to do on my outro. Yeah. I hope everyone is having a blessed day and night, no matter what country you are in, no matter the time of the day. If you need something, just let me know. Comment down below. I want this to be a community on where everyone can love each other and help each other with advice and just smile. Because like I said, and I always say, smile. Because smiling makes me feel happier and it makes you feel happier. It will never fail. Just smile through the bad times. Smile when you feel like you can't smile. Smile when you have nothing to smile about. Smile when the haters are looking you in the face. Smile at them and let them know that they're not going to put you down. Don't ever let anyone put you down in this world, because once you do that, it's over. They win. Okay, well, I went on another tangent about like blessings coming your way. When the blessings go up, the blessings come down. All right. Anyways, that was a little bit of chance. We out.